My friends, it's Coach Vigue, sometimes called the Pilates King. This is a full-body Pilates workout. It's going to challenge you, going to sculpt your midsection, give you flexibility, mobility, strength, energy, and everything else. All right, today's random question is, what is the most unexpected benefit you've received from exercising regularly? Let us know below. All right, click that thumbs up button. Let's begin on our backs for the Pilates 100 with single leg stretch legs. So bring this right leg in, left leg out, arms to the sides. We're going to pump the arms 4 to 6 inches as we breathe in for 5 breaths, out for 5. In the nose, out the mouth, and let's flow it together. 100 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Last one. 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Single leg stretch. Pull the knee in 10 times. Inhale, exhale, long stretch in the legs. 3. Everything connects together. Maximize what you have. The body flows, it moves, you breathe into it. It's a beautiful, beautiful thing, Pilates exercises. One more time, each side. Single straight leg stretch, right leg up, left leg out. Imprint your lower back down, grab as high as you can. Exhale, pull the leg towards you. Inhale, switch. 10 more. Fill and empty the lungs. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, in the nose, out the mouth. 8, long stretch. 9, what comes after 9? 10, stretch it out. Rolling up, seated position, heels to the edges of your mat, spine stretch. All right, long legs, shoulders back and down, sitting tall, tuck the chin slightly, arms forward, exhale, hinge up and over an imaginary beach ball. If you have a real beach ball, then it's not imaginary. Inhale, rise up, stack, 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 stack. Tall. 5 more times. You should hear that breath. That's really all you should be hearing other than my annoying voice. Stack the spine, stack the spine, stack the spine. 3 more times. Planes flying overhead. We stretch even further. 2 more. Inhale, rising up, so tall, shoulders back and down. One more. Very precise, moving with precision. Inhale, rise up, connecting into the saw. 10 times. Take the arms out. Twist to the right. Pinky finger, pinky toe. Exhale, hinge forward. Inhale up, twist. You can also bend the elbows. Here's 2. 3. Untuck the shirt. And 4. We have some snow on the Smokies over there, if you want to look at that too. It's not AI, it's real. All right, 5 more. Take it slow, take it slow. Enjoy every inch of that flow, of that exercise. And twist, 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 reach, hinge. Big, big movement, stretch it out. Howdy. One more time. Shake out the legs for just a moment. Shake out the arms. We move into half rollbacks. We're going to round that beautiful spine. Take the legs together to the best of your ability. It's hard for me. Take the heels towards you. Arms forward. We're going to tuck the chin and round back. Squeeze the breath from the lungs, in the nose, out the mouth. Inhale up, exhale forward. Put it together 6 more times. This will pull your pants right off. Sneaky. There they go. See if the instructor is wearing Unterhosen. Rounding, chin to chest, and then long extension. Oh, you're going to be a little bit taller after this. Sorry to say. Lengthening, good posture. All those muscles coming together. One more time. Slow it down. No. Slow. Squeeze those abs. And big stretch. Arms up and over. There go the pants. And into rowing into the sternum. I'm on lumpy ground here, but I'll make it work. Darn it, I will. I will make it work. Fists together. We'll do 5. We're going to round back, exhale. This is rowing. You don't see this very often, so I'm excited to bring it to you. Don't miss this one. And then reach up, over, and back. Arms back, or if you can, lace the fingers and hinge. So much beautiful hinging, my friends. Open up what you got. And then reach up and over, or grab the feet, toes, or ankles. Okay. All right, let's do 5 in succession here. Exhale. Inhale up, circle around. Exhale forward. Inhale, exhale. Here's 2. Beautiful shoulder mobility. Oh, we got to get that. We got to get that. Three more. All this lovely mobility in the shoulders and the back. 2 more. If my counting is off, I apologize. Entschuldigung. I keep talking German because Joseph Pilates was from Germany, actually from Mönchengladbach, a place I lived in for a summer and taught English. Mönchengladbach, Deutschland. Slow it down. Last one. Strong. You only got 1 shot at this, my friends. Big reach, up and over. Practice. Oh, wait. I got caught up in my words. And hinge. Okay. Now, coming into downward facing dog, I'm going to do something called a woof. A woof. Okay. Fingers open wide, pressing back. We're going to reach that right leg up. We're going to exhale round the back as you bring the knee in towards the nose and then extend back. 5 more times. Big movement. And 3. And 4. Last one. Hold it right here. Hold it right there. I can smell you coming off the elevator. And then press back. Switch legs. Here we go. The wolf. 6. 1. 2. Flowing and smooth. Flow right through. 3. Little variation on Pilates exercises for this one. Oh, heck. 1 more. Bring it in. Hold. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff. Back. And now, lower down. Forearms down. Single leg kicks. Shoulders back. Sitting tall. 1 leg at a time. Kick down. This one, we're going to alternate. Exhale, exhale, inhale. Point, flex while keeping your upper body tall. This one has grown on me so much over the years. It really does loosen up my quads and my hamstrings. It emphasizes the strong posture right here. I'm in my 50s now, so these words: posture, length, mobility, flexibility, strength, panache. These are the things, my friends, that run through my mind, and it translates into my movements all the time. Even at the gym, I'm doing strength training, but in between, I am doing mobility and flexibility and core training. You better believe it. One more time each side. Now, double leg kicks. Bring your face down, hands to your lower back, kick both the legs. Kick, kick. Now inhale, lift up. Other cheek comes down. Kick, kick, lift. Let's do 2 more on each side. Lift. You can repeat this as much as you like, my friends. It's all yours. Last one. Lift it up. Hold or lace the fingers together. 3 breaths. Oh, you want that strong back, don't you? You want a strong, functional, pliable back. And we'll finish with the breaststroke. Arms to the sides. We'll do 6. Inhale, reach forward, open the legs. Exhale, pull back. In the nose, out the mouth. 4 more. Slow it down. Two more. All that beautiful work. Last one, slowly. No. Stretch, 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 and then pull. Legs come together. Hold for an extra breath. All right, my friends, it's me, Coach Vigue. Press it back. Child's pose. Wonderful workout. You want to do it again? Do it again, do it again, do it again. Anywhere, anytime. If you're feeling good, if you like this, don't forget, click that thumbs up button. That helps me out so much. Right next to it, there's a subscribe button. Punch it, punch it, punch it, and then click the notification bell to never miss one of my workouts. We're stretching back, we're stretching back. And all these exercises can be found in my book, Pilates for Athletes. Wherever books are sold, we'll flash it up there on the screen, and there's a link below also. Ooh, you can get Pilates anywhere, anytime. And then back there, we have the Smoky Mountains. We have some grass. We have the Coach Vigue yoga mat. We have a note card. We have my friends, if you want the extended version of that workout, plus access to hundreds of exclusive workouts not found on my YouTube channel, you need to try the Sean Vigue Fitness app free for 7 days. Cancel anytime. Click the first link in the comment section below. Try it for 7 days, and I guarantee you will be hooked.